evening, depending where you are right now in the world. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. I have a challenge lock. This lock is a Yale, and it is unlucky. And boy, is it. This is by Just Picking. We've been swapping back and forth challenge locks. The man makes some excellent challenge locks. This has a little hiccup in it, and I'm going to try to catch it on video. I've opened it once before, and I feel confident that I can try again. So let me focus this a little better, or adjust it a little bit up there. Change the lighting a little bit. I like that. Okay. I still needed to move it because I have to. Come on, stop sinking. All right, it's going to stay. All right, so I'm going to be using, guess which pick this is. That's right, la. And I'm going to use a 1.2 millimeter tension wrench, putting it in my newer vise holder. And let's see what we can do. All right. I am going to go counterclockwise because this is a bear. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. Try to get it off the sledge. Okay, I think I got something on one. That's two. Stay. Three. Feels good. Four. Get up there. Come on. That's bouncy. 5. Okay. Nice click on 5. And 6. Okay. Gotcha. Oh, now it's bouncy. Back to number 1. Okay, 1. Got a little movement in my fingers. 2. Nice. I can do another one there. Okay. Now it's bouncy. That's 2. Wish that would stay in. 3. 4. I wish this was a cylinder. I got my new Sparrows. I forget what they call it for the cylinder locks. It's in the background. So I could put it in I don't have to use a vise in my hand. Nah, that was good. Got a little bit of movement there. So my crippled hand can hold the lock, and I can pick in my hand now. Or at least that's the theory of I was thinking. Hopefully it'll work for me. Something to grasp onto except the lock. That was nice. I don't know what pin that was. I think that was 5. Yeah, it was. 6, and I got a movement on that one, that's for sure. Stay in there. One. 2 is binding. Come on. Okay, that was 2, and I got a little movement there. 3. Nice click. 4. Okay, double click on 4. 5, gotcha. And 6 is binding. Got it. Beginning. Okay, 1. I got a little movement on the core when I hit 1. 2. 3 was a good one. Got a movement on that. 4. Nothing on 5. 6 is binding. There you go. Gotcha. Beginning again. 1. God. 2. My hands are killing me so bad already. That was 2. That was 3, and I got more to it. Come on. There you go. Got a little movement there. 4. I gotta rest my finger for a minute. Okay. I think that was 4. I think this is 5. Nice. And 6 is binding. Come on. Double click out of 6 and then more. I got a great false set going. 1, 2. Gotcha, baby. Where are you, Miss Jeezy, when I need you? How you doing?
That was easy.
Oh, it really, really, really was. And I'm so glad I got this on camera. Yeah. I can't wait to see what he's put in there. I'm going to take a look and make sure everything is kosher. We might have a little problem with one of the chambers. Let me keep this in camera. Let me get rid of this. Oh yeah, I know what it's called now. The Sparrow Scepter. I don't know if you guys have seen it. Need a pin and tray. Okay. What do I need for this lock? I need a clip remover. And with Yales, I have no problem using this clip remover. No, wrong hand. This is going to be a video, watch I say it now, with no oopses involved. Oops, no. Oh, I don't want to turn it too much. That's too small. Okay, I spoke too soon on Yale locks. Having no problem. Someone's got to invent a tool that's better than this. Okay, I give up on that. My go-to. Yeah, I'm already spinning it too much. Jesus, now I'm going to lock it. Coming close. Let me see if I can do it this way. Thank you. God, that hurt too. All right. So I've spun it almost 360, which is not a good thing. We'll leave it there. A shim. Oh, come on. I'll get it yet. I'll get it. There we go. Okay, let's put a shim in here. Okay, and I need a follower. Perfect, perfect. I didn't screw up yet, so I'm not going to drop any pins. I'm going to get my tweezers ready. All right, let's see what Justapickin's putting in this lock. Start off with a beautiful, beautiful serrated pin, sharp top. I see some magic in the core. Beautiful. Oh, wow. Wait till you guys see this pin. I don't want to spoil it. Give me a second. Get it all situated. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was a pin and pin. I didn't even know that. All right. Excellent. Man, you do some nice pin work. Beautiful. And number 6. Absolutely beautiful pins. They look like they're all steel. Okay, give you a closer. Let's get a zoom. There you go. We got counter milling in number 1, nothing in 2, threads in 3. Looks like threads in 4, threads in 5, and I think that's the chamber that's having problem with the counter milling. I'm going to see if I can maybe. Well, it opened. I don't think I'm going to touch it. So there's the core. Let's see some more magic. Beautiful, beautiful work. Don't need my shim no more. I need this. Okay, I know which is front. Number 1. Nice. Number 1. Beautiful. Let's see, it comes out like that. Spring is stuck. I'm going to take the springs out in order in case they're different. Yeah, it's really in there. Well, I can't get this out. It really just looks squished. Okay. It's a half a spring. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay. We got number 2. Beautiful, beautiful. Taking them out the way they're in. Okay. Maybe a little bit further. Oh. Almost. Almost. I almost had an oops. I'm going to be more careful. Going through a video, I'm going to get a video with no problems. No problems. No problems. Okay. We have number 3. It's really breaking the shear line. In fact, it kind of was a little below it. Must be a weak spring too. Let's see. I think it's another half spring because it just doesn't want to come out. All right, I'm not going to force this. I'll open it from the top. That's number 3. Okay. Number 4 is a standard, and yonder spring came out easy on this one. I'm going from the other side. Whoa, strong springs. Number 5. Oh, that looks like a super spring. Maybe. And where's number 5? Where's that right? I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Something not right. Oh, there we are. Wow, what a nice looking pin that is. Just want to come out. Check out that pin. Is that a pin and pin? I don't know, but I think I got this backwards. That's what I do have. Okay, let me see if I can make anything happen here. No, it doesn't want to come out. I don't want to make a long video, but I want to be able to take that spring out for you guys to see. Was that 3? That's not it. Of course, gonna spend all day long looking for the right. This looks like it. Yeah, that'll work. And there she is. Woohoo! I didn't drop anything. 1 second. That's a weak spring. Weak spring. Weak spring. Alright, that's right. Alright, no super springs, I thought it was. Alright, let's get... God darn it. Sorry, guys. Now my camera's slipping. Zoom. Oh, it was zoomed. Alright, I'm going to take it out there. I want a closer inspection of these. Okay. Let me get my tweezer. There we go. Number 1. God, my cable's getting hung up. Wait a minute. There we go. Where am I? There you are. Key pin number 1. Beautiful, beautiful work. Watch me drop it during this. Key pin 2. Is that a beautiful, beautiful piece of work there? That's lovely. Love it. 3. Come on, focus. There you go. Absolutely beautiful. You know, it's making it go in and out, but that is really, really nice. The way it's tapered down. Okay, number 5. Beautiful serrated pin. This 6 looks like a standard. It is. Alright, check out this pin. Almost too big to get in my tweezer. Really, really nice. Sharp lines on that. Oh, you know what? I apologize. Back to, which one is it? Key pin 3 is a pin and pin, as you can see. That would have been a bad thing if I didn't show that. Beautiful looking pin. Okay, I could show them just as they are here. 4 is standard. 5 is a tapered down pin, like a T-top on top. Beautiful, just beautiful. And we got a double-sided spool, tapered down, very, very nice. Beautiful work. The springs now. We got a half spring in 1, a half spring in 2. Looks like a half spring in 3. 4 is the copper and 5 is the steel. Yeah, I think maybe what we need to do is I'm going to take the size of the spring and cut one just a little bit bigger on a couple of them because they were below the shear line in the core, or the Bible, I mean. So I'll just send it back to you, whatever you like. All right, that's what I got. That's what I do. I pick locks. And if you wanted to see the scepter, I'm sure you guys have seen them before. Got to do it one-handed. For me, it's perfect because my left hand does not function very well. The Sparrow's scepter, your cylinder screws in there. You got 2 tightened down screws on it, or you can put Allen wrenches, which Allen set screws, which come in the package with an Allen key. Very, very nice, very beautiful. Machine work is absolutely beautiful on this. And like I said, you know what? Everybody thinks maybe this is a joke. What a waste of, money for it. But when you have a hand like that you can't close the fingers on, having a grip like that is going to work out just perfect for me. So that's what I did. I already said that. Hit that like and subscribe button. Tell a friend. And thank you so much there, Justapickin. Got another lock coming back to you. I love trading locks with this man. So yeah, hit that like and subscribe button. Don't put mix anyone else's locks, so let's get explicit permission. I'm gone. See you on the next one. I'm sorry, I didn't show the key because it was mummified. I really got to see the key myself. I wanted to just add this in there. I know it's a long enough video. So if you watched it almost to the end, might as well watch another 2 minutes or whatever. Boy, would you use a roller tape on this? Okay, and then we got some plastic here. Wow. All right, check out the bidding on that puppy. I would call that extreme bidding. Very, very nicely done. And again, one more time before I leave. Unlucky by Justapickin. Beautiful. Thank you. I'm gone.